Good morning, my name is Ricard Charlson with Galati Yacht Sales, and today we're on board my personal Axopar 37 ST from 2018. This video here is a 360 video that you can actually move around on your iPad or your phone. You can move around in the video, look up, down, sideways, whichever direction you like. If you're on a computer, you can drag the mouse on the video and see every corner of the boat as I'm walking around. This boat here has the twin white 350 Mercuries with additional warranty. I ordered the 6-year warranty package. This is the 2018 model year. This boat is fully loaded. I personally ordered this boat for myself with all the options pretty much that you could get from the factory. You see we have the full S-Tech. We have the refrigerator here in the aft wet bar with tons of storage. And also with the optional sink. This boat was also ordered with the option 2 for sound system, which is the best that they offered. As soon as I got the boat, I took it all out, amplifiers, everything, and added a lot of additional sound. There's two 10-inch Fusion Signature Series subwoofers back here. The speakers are upgraded to 8.8 inches. Then as we go forward here, we have a 7.7. It wouldn't accommodate the 8.8 because of the depth. And of course the same on the other side. As we go forward, we go back to two additional 8.8 Signature Series. They do light up in the same color as the accent light. As you can see, the cushions has never been wet by rain or anything like that. If you look at all my pictures, I have some custom covers made that are attaching to the tracks up here. So it slides right on. It's 4 panels, one in the front here, and then 2 on the side and 1 in the back. So it takes about 6 minutes to remove and store in the storage compartment. We have the optional shower. Back here I have a custom-made flush. So you attach your garden hose in there and it will flush both engines simultaneously. I also have the stainless steel rails that go back here. This boat has a lot of custom features. Back here, manufactured a custom storage for a stern anchor. That is, I think it's a 4-pound, just slides in here. Can't damage anything, it's made out of starboard, it slides right in. I have brand new Axopar stickers on the side. This boat had a bottom job done in January of 2019. I've added underwater lights that typically go on a 50-60 footer. This is the controller for it. Ties into the stereo and you can control any kinds of colors that you like. They're extremely bright. There's 3 on the transom. This table here flips up. I've added cup holders because there are none from the factory. And it will flip up like this. And you will now you have 4 cup holders. And the forward seating up here, they turn around so that you would have seating for 7 here in a shaded area. So this boat was ordered with the twin 7412 Garmin GPS touch panels, chart plotters, and the larger Mercury vessel. And it also has the GSD-25 sounder module. So you have a side view, you also have clear view for depth. You have the Phantom radar, and the factory did not option this Phantom radar, so I ordered it without it and added this. This has what's called motion scope, so a target that is coming towards you will be red, and a target going away from you will either be green or blue, I believe. So it's easy at night, you can see targets coming towards you that may be dangerous, or targets going away from you. That was an added option by me. And we also have the FLIR night vision camera that I added as well. So this is an M323, and you can drag your finger and move it around and look up and down every direction you like. It's also great for nighttime navigation. You can change the color so they will turn red or blue or orange depending on what heat signature they have. And then you can also go back to the home and it will go straight forward. We also have, we can go over here for example, we can go into audio video, we can go into our autopilot, we can control that from here of course. We'll go to home, we'll go to media. We can control our sound system from here as well. And again, this is the Apollo series from Fusion. It's a touch panel. Everything here is integrated. We also have here our Lumishore underwater lights. Again, these lights are for approximately a 50-60 foot vessel. There's 3 lights, and they can go pretty much any color you like. You set it all from here. They can tie into the stereo as well and flash with the beat of the music. We currently have 135 hours, and the maintenance life is completely full because I just had them serviced. These engines, after 3 years, they're required to do water pumps. I did it after 2 years. It's just, I'm very meticulous. So this boat comes fully serviced. And let's see, we have the bow thruster. This is an additional I added from the factory. The electric sunroof came manual. And this is of course electric, as you can see. Let's see, autopilot. This here is a neat little iPhone or iPad charger if you would like to charge your system. These seats, as you've seen, swiveled around. Flip down bolsters. So if we step into the cabin here, make sure we're just floating around here with no engines on or anything. Make sure we're not drifting into anything. Optional wood flooring. The head with the electric macerator. In here, custom installation for the 2 amplifiers. This boat really rocks. I mean, there's so much sound in this boat. It's incredible. Upgraded to the Apollo series down here as well, and it ties in. It's a party bus function. It ties into the main unit. We have the faucet right here, and in here I have a dehumidifier that I place here at all times. You can see LED lights, of course, throughout the boat. Here are the blue optional lights that I ordered with that ties into the speakers. Can't really see it right now, but they are blue inside, and the whole cone will light up in blue. So I added these additional roof lights up here. They were all white from factory and didn't have the stainless steel bezel, etc. If you turn them off, turn them on again, they're going to go through a color spectrum. You can see they change colors, and whenever you find a color that you like, we can let them turn blue, for example. You turn them off and then you turn them on again, and then they will stay blue. And they are of course in the back as well. You can turn them off for now. As we go forward here, I have the sunshade. There's 2 stainless steel poles. You will see the pictures. Attaches to here and on the starboard side, and then it attaches to the roof up there. Also, you can open up this storage here, actually access it straight into your bow cabin. As we walk back here, you can see the added Phantom radar. This radar has motion scope, and it's a solid state radar. You can literally pick up the piling about 10 feet away from the boat, which is pretty impressive. And the motion scope will actually indicate if you have a target coming against you, or towards you I should say, then it will turn red. If it's going away from you, I believe it's turning blue or green. I forgot. But that's pretty neat. So running at night, you know the targets that are dangerous coming towards you, or if they're going away from you, they're not red. You can select the colors. Given the very high-powered underwater lights, I also added additional battery. So there's more house bank batteries, because we also have 3 refrigerators, and they do consume a lot of power. Let's see, I'm trying to think of something else. So of course, the custom install I made here for the FLIR camera. As you can see, it's pretty neatly done. I'm very meticulous. I have an additional antenna. It got shaved by a cover during a transportation from the factory. So the boat was ordered fully spec'd from the factory, and then I added approximately $50,000 worth of equipment for the nav system. That I added the FLIR, the radar that they did not option from the factory,